Hello children, in the previous video I have started explaining you lesson number 7, that is the tale of Peter Rabbit of English 2. So let's continue with that lesson. Take out page number 54 of your English 2 books. Peter was most dreadfully frightened. Means when Mr. McGregor was following Peter, at that time he was very badly afraid. Dreadfully means very badly, and afraid, and frightened means afraid. He rushed all over the garden, for he had forgotten the way back to the gate. He was so afraid that he was just running all through the garden, and he had forgotten through which way to go out of the garden. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe amongst the potatoes. Now, as he was running so fast, what happened at that time? He was wearing shoes, and while running, what happened? He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other shoe amongst the potatoes. After losing them, he ran on 4 legs. Means after losing his shoes, he ran so fast to protect himself from Mr. McGregor. He might have got away if he had not run into a gooseberry net and got caught by the large buttons on his jacket. Now children, as this Peter was running so fast and he wanted to protect himself from Mr. McGregor, while running, he got caught into the gooseberry net. Now, what is a gooseberry net? A net used to stop birds from stealing gooseberries. Now, children, where gooseberries are grown, a net is placed on those gooseberries so that birds don't go there and steal the gooseberries or eat the gooseberries. So, this rabbit got caught in a gooseberry net. How he got caught in a gooseberry net? He was wearing a jacket, and on that jacket some big buttons, some large buttons were there, and those buttons got caught in the net. So this is how he got caught in the gooseberry net. It was a blue jacket with brass buttons, quite new. Now, what was the color of the jacket he was wearing? It was a blue jacket, and there were brass buttons on that jacket. Like brass, children, it is a hard yellow metal. Like children, you are wearing blue coats during the winter season. On that blue coat, there are some golden color buttons. Those are the brass buttons. So, this rabbit was also wearing blue jacket on which brass buttons were there, and these brass buttons got stuck in the net. Peter gave himself up for lost and shed big tears. Now Peter thought that he will not be able to free himself from there, and he started crying very badly. Gave himself up for lost means thought that he would never be free again. Now, as he got caught in the net, he thought that he will never be able to free himself from there, and Mr. McGregor would come there and catch him. So he started crying very badly over there. Mr. McGregor came up with a sieve which he intended to use to catch Peter. Now Mr. McGregor, what was he doing? He was coming there with a sieve. Children, sieve is a tool used for straining solids from liquids. So he was coming there with a sieve which he intended means planned, which he planned to use it to catch Peter. But Peter wriggled out just in time, leaving his jacket behind him. Wriggled out means like he twisted his body from side to side to remove the jacket so that he can escape from there. Because his jacket got caught in the net, the large buttons on the jacket got caught in the net, were stuck in the net. So he twisted his body from side to side so that he can remove his jacket and escape from there. So at last he was successful in running from there, and he left his jacket there only. He rushed into the tool shed and jumped into a can. It would have been a beautiful thing to hide in if it had not had so much water in it. Now after that he ran away to the tool shed, a shed where the gardening tools were kept, and after going into the tool shed, he jumped into a can. A can was kept over there, like you can see in this picture. A can is there. This is the tool shed, and this is a can in which this rabbit was hiding. But this rabbit, when he went inside the can, there was water inside the can. Now the rabbit was thinking it would have been a beautiful thing to hide inside the can, but there was water inside the can, so he got wet in the can. Mr. McGregor was quite sure that Peter was somewhere in the tool shed, perhaps hidden underneath a flower pot. Now when Mr. McGregor reached there in the tool shed, he was very sure that Peter was hiding himself in the tool shed only, and might be he is hiding himself under some flower pot. He began to turn them over carefully, looking under each. Now, as you can see in this picture, children, this Mr. McGregor was picking up each and every flower pot to find out the rabbit. Peter sneezed, "Curty-shoo!" Now, at the same moment, what happened? Peter started sneezing. He sneezed. Curty-shoo is the sound of sneezing, children. Mr. McGregor was after him in no time. When this Peter sneezed, at the same time, Mr. McGregor saw this rabbit hiding inside the can and he just ran after the rabbit. He tried to put his foot upon Peter, who jumped out of a window, upsetting 3 plants. Now, Peter quickly came out of the can and jumped out of the window which was there in the tool shed. And when he jumped out of the window, he jumped on the 3 plants. And those 3 plants were destroyed when he jumped on those plants. The window was too small for Mr. McGregor and he was tired of running after Peter. Now, this window through which the rabbit has jumped out, this window was very small through which Mr. McGregor couldn't move out. So, after that, Mr. McGregor was tired of running after Peter. Then, what did he do? He went back to his work. At last, Mr. McGregor went back to his work. So children, I will explain you this lesson up till here. In the next video, we will continue with the lesson. Thank you.